Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners along with Paul Viacino. Super quick Tesla update, another inside day. Volatility decreasing generally means there's either stronger breakout or breakdown. Same levels we're watching yesterday. We can check in on the 4-hour chart. It got slightly more neutral than bullish with a close in the rotation zone. You see today gap down but closed outside the rotation zone. Finally this afternoon couldn't sustain it, closing just inside. Still watching that 1431 key level. Just below is a 4-hour rotation zone. But let's look at that daily chart. So just above it, 1447 is the daily rotation zone. So there's major support. So if we get that move below, 1431, then we'll start watching again 1385 to 1368, then 1340, major support now coming in the daily 1275. Still got the potential 8 pushing the price. Still watching, need that move above 1556 though going into Friday expiration. The gamma juicing has not been working for the last couple days, so we're gonna have to see if it's all gonna get in with some stock purchases tomorrow and break it out, or whether all those options people put on are gonna expire worthless, or they're going to try to dump them going into Friday, but they're already taking major theta hits on it. So we're going to have to see tomorrow morning. It should be interesting. It should definitely break out of these ranges, but those are the key levels we are watching. That's it for Tesla. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.